Repeat the words after me. Banana, bananas. Blueberry, blueberries. Mango, mangoes. Cherry, cherries. Raspberry, raspberries. Apricot, apricots. Grape, grapes. Kiwi fruit, kiwi fruits. Lemon, lemons. Orange, oranges. Passion fruit, passion fruits. Peach, peaches. Pineapple, pineapples. Red apple, red apples. Strawberry, strawberries. Watermelon, watermelons. Repeat the sentences. It's a strawberry. They are strawberries. It's a red apple. They are red apples. It's a pineapple. They are pineapples. It's a passion fruit. They are passion fruits. It's a banana. They are bananas. It's a kiwi fruit. They are kiwi fruits. It's a raspberry. They are raspberries. It's a lemon. They are lemons. It's an apricot. They are apricots. It's a blueberry. They are blueberries. It's a cherry. They are cherries. It's a grape. They are grapes. It's a watermelon. They are watermelons. It's a mango. They are mangoes. It's an orange. They are oranges. It's a peach. They are peaches. Quiz time! Can you guess the fruit? Read the clues and guess the fruit. You have 3 clues and only 5 seconds to answer. I am a type of berry. I am the color blue. I am small and round. Blueberries. I am a long fruit. I am yellow. Monkeys like to eat me. Bananas. I am a sour fruit. I am yellow. I grow on trees. Lemons. I am purple or green. I am sweet. I grow on a vine. Grapes. I am round and big. I am red inside and green outside. I grow from a vine on the ground. Watermelons. I am a type of berry. I am the color red. On average, I have 200 seeds. Strawberries. I have fuzzy brown skin. I am grown on trees. I grow mainly in New Zealand. Kiwi fruit. I look like a pine cone. I have a spiky crown. I am yellow on the inside. Pineapples. I grow on trees. I am a tropical fruit. I am light orange on the inside. Mangoes. I grow on trees. I can float in water. I am red delicious. Apples. Congratulations! You finished the fruit quiz.